suddenly it's just what's ongoing in my mind. I can't understand it, and I chose a commerce background. So after choosing a commerce background, I have realized it is best opportunities for my on. Okay, the scope of business, realistic analytics, TIC, and as a company secretary, as a chartered accountant, as a cost management accountant, you have to most better opportunity you have to open it. So how my journey will be started, I am sharing it. So usually we have to study is nursery to 10th as a usually subject everyone to study it. But when the life is changed, when the mind is changed from 11th class, so we have options like everyone have an options, science, commerce, and math. So math I will not decide it because when I have choosing a math, just because I am not choosing math, what's going in my mind, just I have always studies math like 1 to 8 class. We are always used to study normally math. So I have not studied. So the other options I will choose it because it I am not other options having. So I choose it commerce, and in these days I don't know why I can choose the commerce. What is the scope opportunities of the commerce? Second days, first days I usually taking the class, and I was as usually I have to study it. Sometimes I realize it. Uh, I am going to study as normally when I am studies class 10th, 8th, 7th, etc. So yeah, I think so. No one can be proper guide to me what's the scope, what we can do after the commerce background we have to doing it. So slowly I as usually the day will be going passing. Okay, so the time will be coming when I have taken almost second decisions, most important decision in my life, when I have qualified the 12th examinations. So basically I in these days I have not to decide what to do. Just BA, somebody saying so you should do doing a BA and go to prepare for UPSC examination. UPSC examination, that means yeah, IS no. Okay, I think so everyone candidate so who is belonging to some good financial conditions, so they are mostly go for the power because power is so important for me. I once day once times I also just thinking about the UPSC examination, but what the life want you don't know. Something suddenly will be change everything. So sometimes life want to you something great, just you have not you have not accept about it, you have not think about it, what the life want to you. So life is no one can be understand it, what type of circumstance, what type of problems they have sending to you. And actually we have always experienced it. When we have childhood, the teachers will be asking to me, just what you make, what's your aim, what's your goal in the future. Somebody saying to teacher, somebody saying to scientists, somebody saying to doctors, engineers, but I'm also saying to, sometimes I was saying to businessman. But the times will go, but no one can be saying the CA, CMA, cost management, accountant. It's types of no one can talking about it. So after completing the 12th examinations, I have an option just to doing a BCom because I am coming from the commerce background. So I will coming to the BCom. BCom will be we continue as this times I have continuing the BCom second year, and many other things activities I will be doing, just like sharing to you. So after completing the BCom, I think so I'm doing a more mistake because before completing the 12th examination, okay, so must be prepared your CSAT examination, because company secretary examination will be you have to eligible to doing after 12th. So my own experience saying to you, just if you have wanted to something in the business field, just company secretary examination is best for you. And otherwise you have to going for other examination, cost management accountant or cost CA chartered accountant. Just you have to do after become after become you have to doing it. The that's most of the people saying that is chartered accountant, company secretary or cost management accountant, it is the toughest examination. So I usually saying to you it's not tough. How many you think? Okay, I think so. The most toughest or oldest examination is UPSC. So it's a percentage chance is very low, just like 0.1%, 0.2% is having. So these types of student are always preparing for UPSC. So why you not? Because their chance 30%, 40% is passing percentage CA chartered accountant, and company secretaries I think 8 year 15 16% they have also. So must go for, and it is good career for it, and something you have to great doing after pursuing this course. And most of the people is saying just what's the benefit about it after doing these types of profession. So my own experience saying to you, if you have not cleared the examination, some things you have great to do. Just start your own business, start your own just many things just you have to doing it. Okay, so it's never comes to your mind just after completing these types of course you don't do something. Okay, so thank you. And I uploaded many videos like commerce related, and I think it's many help for you. Thank you.